Did you know there was a time when people used real human teeth to fill gaps in their smiles? It's true. In the early days of dentistry, wealthy individuals relied on an unsettling practice that gave rise to the term Waterloo teeth. The name comes from the Battle of Waterloo in 1815. After the fighting ended, scavengers combed the battlefield, not just for valuables, but for teeth. These teeth were harvested from fallen soldiers and turned into dentures for the wealthy. But here's the surprising part. This practice wasn't unique to Waterloo. Human teeth had been used in dentures for centuries before the battle. French aristocrats, known for their high standards, popularized the use of natural teeth. They believed human teeth looked more realistic and felt more comfortable than alternatives like ivory or animal teeth. Dentists, or sometimes tradesmen like wig makers or blacksmiths moonlighting as dentists, sourced teeth from a variety of places. Some were pulled at market fairs, others were stolen from graves, and during wars, battlefields became a grim source of supply. Thankfully, dentistry has come a long way. Today, we have advanced tools and products that make oral care easier and more effective than ever before. If you're looking to upgrade your dental routine, consider the Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. It's designed to remove plaque effectively and keep your teeth and gums healthy. And for that dazzling, picture-perfect smile, try Crest 3D White Strips. They're simple to use and deliver professional-level whitening results right at home. You can find links to these products in the description below. Check them out and give your smile the care it deserves. So, while the idea of Waterloo teeth might make you cringe, it's a fascinating reminder of how far dentistry has come. From battlefield scavengers to high-tech toothbrushes, it's safe to say your pearly whites are in much better hands today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories about history, science, and the incredible advancements that shape our world.